And oh hey, this is the part 2. Please like and subscribe. If you don't, I quit YouTube and won't post again. So this is my daughter. Anyways, I'm introducing my kids. This is Chelsea. Okay, this is Hannah. This is Jessica. Today we're cooking food. Watch me how I cook. Okay? Now wait for me. I'm not revealing because I love it. Taste with you. We put some butter. Chop. This is raw chicken. Crack some egg. Some butter. Can you watch my fight play after making cookies? But I'm gonna go because my kids are hungry. Watch the part 3 how I cook because my kids are thinking about something that they can do but they were bored. Bye! See you in part 3. My face reveal. Am I ugly? I think I'm ugly. I'm Humpty Dumpty. I'm on a diet, but still skinny. See you in part 3. Bye.